Welcome to a video by Abron. This is torque tester. How much torque or the pressure is needed to open the cap or close the cap. This one. These are the pillars where we can put any bottle in this, and these are the pillars adjustable. It depends on the size of the bottle. It can be square, round, or any size. So once it is held, you tight it and with the secure so that it does not move. And then these are the menu is there. You can enter these. These are the units. You can check pounds. You can check how much is there. You can reset it, and then this goes into Newton, in kg also, in LB, in kg. Kg is very strong for metal caps or metal bottles. This is a plastic bottle, so I am just showing you. So this one is LBS, since this one is peak. How much is the maximum pressure? This will tell you the pressure, but what is the pressure? If you put it to hold, it shows you the hold. Once I just open the cap, see this. After opening it, this has become 3.5. Is the peak which is there. I can put it back to the reset 0, and then I can show it again. I can write it, and then this becomes 6. 6 is the value. It went. If I do not put the hold, the value will be there, but you cannot see it is. It will be reset. If you start it, then you can see the value here, but it will not be held. So you must use always the hold position. So the tear is for basic and entering the minnow, and reset is for any new reading. You have to reset or exit the start. And this one is also start. You can tight it and then see this 5.2. Different bottles will have a different torque. You can check up this instrument. Please visit the website abronexports.com, and another email is abron01@gmail.com. Our WhatsApp number is 9992222049. Another is 9416020018. Subscribe to the channel, like the videos, share the videos. We have got all the pet instrument testing machines. Please visit the website and like the videos, share the videos. Thank you very much.